You're going to learn how to use TextJoin to join text without extra spaces in this video. Here we have an interesting problem. We have apartment numbers, streets, and cities, and we're trying to join these all together. We could even join them with a space or a comma. Here we're doing it with a space. And if you notice a little bit here, the third line, there is no apartment number, and there is a space in the result. However, if we use TextJoin and we use this second modifier, the ignore empty, and we say true, and we put in the text same here, we do not get any spaces. It's going to ignore empty spaces. But I want to show you one little trick here that goes beyond how to join text without extra spaces, which is just the answer is use TextJoin, add true instead of just join. But we can also add the word apartment number before this if this column, C, is blank. So let's do that. So what we're going to do is if is blank, we're going to select that C. Now, if it is blank and it's true, we just want to join the text. If it is false, meaning it's not blank, then we're going to prepend this with something. We can use concatenate, add apt number in quotes, and then a comma and TextJoin. We can add a space after the number sign if we want, or not. Here, now we have apartment number only when there is an apartment number here. So a little cool trick that if you have some blanks in your joins, you can use TextJoin. And this nifty little extra thing is knowing that if is blank is going to get you two separate results. If something is blank, do this. If something is not blank, do this other thing. That's a really cool addition if you're doing any kind of data cleaning, any data munging, any data analysis, and you're trying to smush stuff together, let's say. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing here on YouTube on Better Sheets.